Well, hello. Today we're going to be talking about secondary sources. This week you'll be submitting your topic for the final paper on the discussion board. You can find the discussion link at the end of this module as well. I hope you can see the screen that I'm trying to share with you right here, and I'm going to walk through the module and explain the different options for researching a topic. As you can see from the screen, all you have to do is go to the course content, and if you go to the course content, you're going to be able to go into the secondary sources on module 3. If you can see from the screen, module 3 begins with an explanation of what secondary sources are, and it gives you an overview of the reasons why we utilize secondary sources to begin our legal research process. As you can see, the module is self-explanatory, step-by-step instructions if you follow the pages or if you follow the navigation panel to the left of your screen. What I'm most interested in today is in making sure that you understand how you're going to go about finding a particular research topic. So in here, you will see that it will says, please submit your topic for the final project here for approval. Your topic will need to be one that you're able to find a case law for, or case law for. If you need help with this, I'll assist you. Just let me know. I'll reply with comments and approval, but I suspect that most of them will be fairly easy for you to begin with. Then I want to go ahead and share with you basically a little bit of a textbook and the different links that can guide you in establishing or finding what the appropriate topic could be. So if you see here, there's a lot of legal encyclopedias, a lot of texts and treatises, a lot of items from different databases, and different law reviews that are very important. And you think to yourself, well, yes, most law offices have access to those, but I don't. Yes, you do. Through our university's library page, as you can see from the screen that I am sharing at this time, you will see there are legal studies databases there that include HANA Online, LexisNexis Academic, ProQuest Congressional Legal Source, ProQuest Supreme Court Insight, ProQuest Regulatory Insight, America State Papers, Congressional Quarterly Magazine, Researcher, Criminal Justice Databases, and many others. So let's just click on one of them so that you can give you an idea how to find out about areas of law. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry, you have to go ahead and do all the dual authorization in order for it to work properly. So anyway, it did it. So here I am. And in there, you can start looking through all the different databases that they have here. And they have in many different areas, including criminal justice, COVID-19, English reports, Supreme Court stuff, international law stuff, congressional materials, women in the law, all these treaties and agreements, all these different items that they have there. Or you can search for something such as, let's say, a premises liability to kind of keep it within the subject matter of practical value. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the database so that we can kind of start looking a little bit about premises liability and what there is out there that can explain to us. And lo and behold, you're going to find yourself here that this NIBR from 1985 to 88, it has, this is an actual a treatise written by this last name NYBERG that does in fact explain a lot of materials, etc. And with regards to premises liability in detail for practicing attorneys. And then you will see that there's a lot of other items in there. And you probably want to go ahead and find items that are going to be electronic. Also, all of this through the Law Journal Library, bar journals, courtiers journal. So just any that you want. And you can pick them by dates. You can filter in different ways and just basically get an understanding of what premises liability is. From here, you see that there's going to be not only the secondary sources that talks about statutes, but it's also going to be citing some cases. That's the one you can see in your screen here. And a citation says 393 Northwest 2nd 320, which means that in the Northwest 2nd reporter or case reporters that comes out of that region, the 393rd volume, page 320, which is an Iowa decision in 1986, will be available for you to review, including the order or the decision from the judge. And it's going to give you a lot more details. I mean, and it's fabulous for you to do more research on different things in detail, so that way you can understand how to go about doing your research. Okay, so take a look at all of those things and then decide. And right at the beginning, I expect that you're going to submit something broader. Like I said, maybe a criminal law issue, a human rights issue, a property law issue, any kind of issue that may be affecting you. And then you want to go ahead and start doing the research through the secondary sources, and then you'll start narrowing it down. As you do this, you're going to be able to put together your final research paper much easier. I hope this is helpful. Please let me know if there are any questions, comments, or concerns, and I will be more than happy to answer you as always. Thank you so much, and I'll be seeing you soon.